Good day everyone, my name is Bea Pagal. So today I'm going to show you how to do easy operational process in hotel checked-in and checked out using a three tools of Google Workspace, which are the Google Sheets, Google Form, and Google Calendar. Okay, so for our Google Sheet, as you can see, it's still blank, and what I just did is to rename the sheets. So for this one, to add the information, we have to create a form. You just need to go to click the tools, and then create a form for those basic or like essential information that you need for the check-in process of our guest. They already put all of the information needed. So in the settings of the account, since I use the ACD or Assumption College of Davao account, you just have to turn off that authorization to allow the guest to use any email address to fill up the form. Next is to send this form to the guest so that way they can fill up the form. Okay, so as if I am the guest, so I just fill up the form, and actually the form will be automatically sent to their email address. They just need to click the form and fill up the needed information to complete the process for a pre-checked-in process for our guest. Okay, so let's go back to our form, Google form. So once the guest already responds to the form, it will be automatically pop up or resulted in our pre-checked-in form that we have created. So as you can see, there is already the my response to the Google form. So next is, okay, so let's go back to our Google Sheet. As you can see, it's still blank, but in the bottom side, you will be able to see the form responses wherein you will be able to see the informations that I have filled up earlier to the Google Forms. The next that we have to do is we have to connect the Google Sheets to the Google Calendar. So here's the thing that we need to do. Just click the extension, then click the add-ons. Okay, so just click the add-ons. Then the next thing that you need to do is search the calendar. You have to install the calendar events creator. Alright, so just install this extension. Alright, so once you install that, just click done, then X. Go back to Google Sheets and click again extension. So as you can see, there is already a calendar creator, and just click setup. So just wait for it and then just fill up the needed form. So just follow what I did. And the first column, you need to click the check-in date, wherein it is in a column G. So in the checked out, it was on the column F. So next is this. As you can see, the email address, I use my friend's email address. And for this one, it should be the email address that is associated with your Google Calendar. You can even add the color, customize the color of on your calendar. The event location, it is just optional if you have a specific location. Event description, since we don't have a special request, so I mean, like, we cannot put a description, but it's up to you. So next is in that enable status view, you need to choose the column that is blank. So as you can see, I choose the column N, because later on it will be automatically populate the link that will lead you to the Google Calendar. So right there. Next is double check the information. So you just need to enter, and I just add B in my middle initial, and just enter in space, enter until you have to wait that there will be a link that would be popped up on the column N. So as you can see, there is already a link. Click that one. It will lead you to the Google Calendar. So there, no title, and you just have to rename it if you want. Mine, I just put a Bea Pagal's checked-in form. Then saved. Okay, so after that, you will be able to see the date, like December 3 to December 6 is the date of our customer that we're going to stay in the hotel. So that's it. Let's try another one. Okay, to try another one, I will send it to my classmate, to Anna Marie in Halas. So after Anna Marie fill up the form, it will shows there's two responses already, which is mine and Anna Marie. You will be able to see their name and the form that is needed to fill up. So as you can see, you're also able to see the room type average and the time, the checkout date, and in etc. Now let's go back to our Google Sheet. As you can see, it automatically popped up in our Google Sheet once they submit the Google form. So, alright. So next would be, let's look for the link for the Google Calendar. So here we go. There is a in the column 1. There is a event, view event. Just click that one, and it will lead you to the Google Calendar. Just the same thing that I did earlier. I just renamed the date. So actually, you can automatically add the names. Later on, I'll teach you how. So if you would like to automatically pop up the name in the Google Calendar, you just have to do this extension again, then click the calendar extension and then set up. And I just need to do is in the event title, just add the column C, which is there is a name, and then apply editing, and that's it. There you go. Alright, we're all set. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and you learned something. Thank you. Bye bye now.